Okay, so let's look at question 8. Analysis of annual income in thousands and house prices in thousands produce the following result. So question A, draw the scatter graph between income and house prices. So how are you going to draw out this scatter graph? Please remember, if they ask you to draw, please do not using calculator to draw, but instead of using calculator, please using a graph paper to show the scatter plot. But here I'm going to teach you using the calculator to draw the scatter plot. So before you want to using the calculator scatter plot, please always identify which one is the explanatory variable and which one is the response variable. Okay, so I check. House price depends on income, or income depends on house price. Definitely house price will be the response variable. House price depends on the income. Income will be your explanatory variable. So let's draw a scatter graph between this income. So using a calculator, go to new document, this is spreadsheet. So column A over here, okay, explanatory variable, you just put income. Okay, next one, for column B, you can put price. Do not give a long name, if not the calculator cannot generate the answer. After that, you key in all the right value, 92, 250, 190, and do remember, do not key in wrong. Sometimes students always tends to make mistake by keying wrong. So once you finish keying until 10, go back to the first value, Control 7. Okay, continue key in. And you go back, Control 7. So right now, I want to draw a scatter plot. So you see, I'm using calculator. I press Control, Document, Add Data and Statistic. Okay, so your X variable is the income, and the Y axis will be the house price. So this will be my scatter plot. So they just ask to draw. So next one, so I've done the first one. Second, calculate the correlation coefficient RIP. So B, R, I, P, I stand for the income, P stand for the price. So that means X, Y, R, X, Y. So you ask to find the correlations. So how to find the correlation? Okay, your calculator, okay, using this button, move back to 1.1, or you can just press Control to the left hand side and you go back to this step. So move your cursor to the column C and you press Menu 4, 1, either 3 or 4 also can, but I prefer you to using 4. Okay, so your x-axis right now will be the income and the y-list will be the price. The rest of this one do not change, just press and the OK. So right now, the question asks for find the R. So the R is this type 0.7504. Normally I give 4 decimal places instead of 2 decimal places. It's more accurate. So next question, they say one point on the scattered graph was different to the others. So one of the point on the scatter graph was different. So which one is different? So you need to identify from the scatter plot. So go back. So you go to Control to the right hand side. So which scatter plot are different? Of course, it's this one. This one seems like different, higher among the rest of the data set. So 140990. Where is that? So it's over here. 140990. So they say which person was it and what's the name for this type of data value. So I give you the answer. So answer for C, which person? So I will write person V123 And what's the name for this type of data value? This is called outlier. And they ask you remove the data point in the C above. So in your calculator, please control to the left hand side, go back to this button and delete out. Okay, so that means you are going back to number 5. Okay, let's check where is it. 140. Okay, 140990 is over here. So what to do? They ask you to remove. How to remove? Okay, just press delete and delete and this one, and delete this X and Y value. Okay, so after that, so D, question D, you're done. C, recalculate the new correlation coefficient. You don't need to retype everything and recalculate. You just need to delete on it. So I already delete. So let's check what is the R value. Okay, right now you can see the R value is different. So the R is equal to 0.9686. E, comment on the relationship between income and house prices. Comment means I want you to interpret the correlation coefficient. So you write this indicate the relation between income and house prices is strong, positive, because you do not have negative sign, that's why positive. Strong positive, linear correlation. So this indicates strong positive linear correlation. So that is the correct answer to write for E. So that's all for the question 8. So thank you.